I've touched briefly on batch editing in the past in other classes, but I really want to dive into it again, just in case you weren't enrolled in the other classes along the way. Batch editing is really important if you've created some of what we call these layer styles and effects on your layer. Just as I have with Laura, I made a little drop shadow behind her. So if I wanted to add that drop shadow effect to some of these other layers, for instance, if I wanted to add drop shadow to the happy birthday text, I could easily do that with batch editing and applying these styles to various layers. So if I have this effect on Laura, her drop shadow, so if I just hover my mouse over this FX button, and then while holding down Alt Option, I click and I drag and I let go on that layer. And there it added that drop shadow to the text. So going Command Z to undo, I'll do that again. To add this effects layer style to happy birthday layer, I just hold down Alt Option, click and drag and drop onto happy birthday. It's as easy as that to apply those effects, and it really saves a lot of time rather than having to click into here and apply those effects one at a time. It's really nice to do that. If I want to get rid of the effects at any time, I simply just drag the effect and drop it into my trash can. It's really helpful that way. At any time, if I feel like I am unhappy with some of my layers, I can always throw them away. And in order to throw away multiple layers, you simply just click on the top one, and then click on the bottom one while holding down Shift. And you have them all selected, and now you can just drag and drop them right into your trash can and go back to your background layer. It's quite nice and quite easy.